Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and for today's episode I'm going to share to you the latest collection of LV. So I'm going to share to you all the information that you need to know. So I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so for today's episode, we are going to discuss everything Speedy P9 that would be launching July 9, 2026. Guys, so first we have the Speedy P9 size 20. So price of this one is 8,000 euro. We have the SKU here. So how cute the size of the Speedy P9 is, and of course the material is calfskin leather on the outside with cowhide leather trims, and the lining is made of lambskin. So all of the Speedy P9 that we are going to discuss would of course come with detachable leather pochette. Love the colorway of that one. It is called aluminum. We are going to see more of that one. So the next colorway that we are going to see is the green dew for the Speedy P9 size 25. Price is 8,000 euro. We have the SKU here, M2A411. So this is the interior. As you can see, there is the plaque of LV with the Speedy P9 25 size, and of course this one, as you can see, this is how it looks like when you're going to wear it. Of course it comes with detachable vachetta leather strap. Then guys, next one is this very beautiful colorway which is called Fig for the Speedy P9 size 30. Price is 9,350 USD. I think what I'm loving about the colorway Fig is because the Louis Vuitton logo is not that prominent compared to the other colors. So as you can see, yes, you can see it, but it's not as, like for example, the bi-colorway that we have discussed previously. So this is the detachable leather pochette that it comes with, and as you can see, the hardware is like a brass stone hardware. So now going back to the color aluminum. So a while ago we have discussed the size 20, but of course it would be released in the Speedy P9 size 25. So again, color is aluminum, price at 8,500 euro. Materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, and of course the interior is made of lambskin. So it comes of course with detachable leather strap, bag tag, leather strap, lock, and key set as well. Next on the collection, so we have the Speedy P9 size 25. So we don't have the price here, but guys, please take note of the SKU for your personal reference. The colorway of this one, guys, is cloud. I love this like colorway. It kind of reminds me of like a black and white television, movie. So of course it comes with detachable leather strap, treated leather. So this is the interior of the cloud colorway of the Speedy P9 size 25. So next on the Speedy collection, so we are going to discuss, going back to the aluminum. So we have discussed the size 20. We have discussed the size 25. Now they're also going to release in size 30. So this is the Speedy P9. So this is a close-up view. So as you can see, the size is also engraved on the metal plaque on the interior, made of calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Of course, this would come with lambskin lining with detachable bag tag as well. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so now let us discuss more Speedy P9. So a while ago we have discussed the cloud in different size. Now guys, let us discuss the cloud colorway, but this time in the size 40 P9. So price at 10,000 euro. We have the SKU here, M2A036, made of calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims with lambskin interior. As you could see, very supple, very soft, very slouchy. Of course, it would come with detachable leather strap, bag tag, key clochette, and detachable mini leather pochette. Next, guys, so I would like to highlight the Speedy P930, and this is a reversible one. So it's a 2-in-1 bag. So one color is the green dew, as you could see, and then of course the interior is like a color chalk or white colorway. Price this one is a little bit expensive at 14,000 euro, but then again, you are getting the size, or you are getting two bags for the price of one. So guys, which one would you use more? Would you use this green dew, or would you use the diamond quilting interior, so just like with the red colorways? So this one's Speedy P930 reverse. So we have the SKU here for reference. Please do take a screenshot. So the outer part is made of calfskin leather, then the diamond quilting interior is made of lambskin. So again, this is fully reversible in the classic monogram colorway, and then of course the interior is color red. So it would come with pochette, bag tag, leather strap, block, and key set as well. So for me, guys, honestly, I'm not really sure. I'm not a fan of the diamond quilting because it kind of looks like the reversed interior of the bag, because for me, I don't really appreciate that. Again, guys, that is just my personal opinion. I would rather use the exterior part. So I'm not really sure if I would be spending 14,000 euro for a reversible bag. Maybe I would just purchase, the regular Speedy P9. Again, guys, please don't hate me. It is just my own personal taste. So this one is a Speedy P930 reverse in the colorway cloud. So next on the collection, so let us discuss the very different Speedy P925, price at 8,750 euros. So material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims with lambskin lining, and the colorway of this one is monogram firefly. So as you can see, so it is actually a glow in the dark Louis Vuitton Speedy P9. That's why, again, the price is a little bit expensive. Of course, it would come with the classic details such as detachable mini leather pochette, bag tag, key clochette, and of course, detachable leather strap. It would come in the size P925 size, price at 10,300 euro. So it would feature the same, monogram firefly that, of course, it would be glowing in the dark. So as you can see, this is the interior leather lining that is made of lambskin. Of course, this is the back part of the Speedy P9. So which ones are your favorite among the pieces that I've shown you? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a pant emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me until the end of this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!